One morning, I walked into my apartment building and felt a strange energy in the air. The lobby was quiet, but something was different. The elevator doors were open, and the lights inside looked brighter than usual. They looked almost excited. I stepped inside the elevator and pushed the button for the 6th floor. But then I saw something strange. A new button. A button with a 0. Floor 0. I blinked. I squinted. I touched the button gently. 0? I whispered. Why 0? The elevator beeped like it understood me. Then the doors closed by themselves. I did not push anything. But the elevator started going down. 3, 2, 1. Then 0. The doors opened. I gasped. The hallway was golden. The walls sparkled like candy wrappers. The air smelled like warm cookies. A man in a purple suit sat behind a small desk. He smiled at me. "Welcome to floor 0, he said. I asked, "What is floor 0? He leaned forward. "It is a special floor," he said. "It appears only for curious people." "I didn't push the button," I said. "The elevator knows," he said. Behind him were 3 doors. Door 1, a cool surprise. Door 2, a strange surprise. Door 3, absolutely no surprise. I picked door 1. It sounded safe. Inside, the room was dark. Then small stars appeared. Real stars. Floating like glowing bubbles. A tiny robot rolled toward me. It looked like a toaster with wheels. "Hello," it beeped. "You may take 1 star home." I picked a tiny star. It buzzed softly in my hand. The robot guided me back. The man in purple said, "A star is good for bad days." I stepped into the elevator again. The doors closed. The elevator went up. When I returned to my floor, everything looked normal again. But the tiny star still glowed in my pocket. The next day, the 0 button was gone. I sighed. Maybe it was a dream. But the star was still there. So I knew it was real. 2 weeks later, the 0 button appeared again. I smiled. "Let's go," I whispered. The doors closed. And another adventure began. Some days I saw dancing chairs. Some days I saw friendly turtles wearing sunglasses. One day I found a door that only opened when I told a joke. Every visit showed me something new. And it taught me something important. The world is full of surprises when you stay curious. Maybe your elevator has a floor 0 too. You just have to stay curious.